you should judge my hair unless you live in the ocean that is Lafayette. Besides, I'm about to put a headband on.
Hi beautiful, it's Michelle, and today we're gonna do a fun challenge. This is called the One Dip Makeup Challenge. I'm not good with makeup at the best of times, but with one dip, we're about to see something here, aren't we? NikkieTutorials did this video, and she mentioned some people in her video that I literally don't even know, so I'm doing this because I saw Nikkie do it. I thought it'd be fun. I asked you what you thought, you voted, and you voted for me to do it because you knew it'd be hilarious. So let's do it. As I mentioned, headband. I'm a 46-year-old makeup junkie. I make videos for other moms who like to laugh, who love anti-aging, and all things beauty. So if that sounds like you, be sure and subscribe. You'll get some more of these challenge videos too. That is my mirror, because when you're my age, you can't see things. I've done my skincare. Do not ever start a makeup routine without skincare. I'm gonna put on some primer, although it kind of feels like cheating because I can squirt out however much I want. So I don't know how to judge this. I'll just do a little squirt. This is really great stuff. This is Skin to Die For, and I really love it. I've only used it 3 times, but the 3 times I used it, I loved it. I feel like this is really kind of cheating because I can use as much or a little as I want, but I'll just put it in the places that really need it. That's good stuff. I love this. It also smells nice. Now, if you really want to feel like cheating, this is Under Eye Brightener, and somebody got into this. I do use this with some regularity. I use this sometimes, but I'm definitely using it right now because I would normally put some kind of primer under my eyes, usually some kind of an oil, because it's crepey under there. And again, I just did one little swipe, but it still feels like cheating, but okay, it's fine. Everything's fine.
Like a bird.
It's a little bit thick. It's almost like a concealer, so you do have to go easy on it anyway.
On a tree.
Now, Eyelid Primer, and this is my favorite, the Urban Decay, but this tube is almost empty. I'm gonna pull it out so quick. See if there's enough.
I'm just sitting here.
That's not cheating to do both sides, is it? Yeah. I've already done 3 more steps than I would have done on an ordinary day. 1 pump? Is that what we're doing here is 1 pump? This is CYO, one of my favorite foundations that I've tried lately. Just 1 pump? Oh, that's plenty. I've got a tiny face. Oh yeah, that's going everywhere. And I like to put my foundation on with my hands, so this is even better because with the sponge or brush, some of it wouldn't, it would take it away. You know what I mean? It would take it away.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit.
My arm's tired from rubbing so long. That went a long, long way. If I wasn't doing the challenge, I would probably do a few little spot treatments, but we are, so I won't.
That you know of.
Most days I don't wear eyeshadow because 46-year-old eyeballs. But she did, and I feel like, how can you do this challenge without doing it? But she did this thing where she just swiped on some color and she looked amazing. I can promise you right now, that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna use this new Morphe 35C palette, and I have been loving this. But ordinarily, I would do the tiniest bit of eyeshadow. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know how I'm gonna do this today. If you like behind the scenes stuff, go to Instagram and follow me. Usually I like a rosy colors, browns, but it's fall, so we have to do purples. Let's just cover the whole eyeball with this. It helps. I cheated. I'll start again. I'll start again. I forgot what we were doing here. That's the main difference between someone her age and a 46-year-old. Don't you think that's just the main difference? I forgot what I was doing. Let's try it again. Was that 1 dip? Hard to know what exactly qualifies. This beautiful shade of purple. I haven't lifted it up yet.
We meant to be in the great outdoors.
That went far. Wow, that's epic. I wasn't expecting that. This side is definitely purpler. That's all right. That side looks good. I should have used something to help me with my lines. Not those kind of lines. Uh-oh. It's pretty though, but it doesn't match. That's okay, this is the beginning stages. What shall we do now? Let's get a little bit of this brown here. I don't even need that much, but the problem is I've got one good eye and one bad eye. So when I close one eye, it's fine, I can see things. But when I close the other eye, I have no idea what's going on over there because I can't see out of the eye that's open. I even got confused talking about it. This one is the bad eye. So when I'm putting on makeup here, it's fine, I can see things. But when I close this eye, it's just a blurry mess. I'm just a blurry mess. Can I get a hallelujah? Still looking pretty good if you ask me. This beautiful sparkly, oh man. I need so much of it. That was not enough.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
I can't even see if there's any on there. Is there? We need some light color. We can get this white. Another problem with eyes is that I need extra hands. See, that's what I need to do, but oh, I don't know. We'll just do our best.
To see the truth
Oh, which side was it?
around you from a distance.
One eye is gonna look really good. And one eye is not. I don't know which side I started with. Side of the brush, I mean. I know which side of my eye. This eye is just horrible. That's why I don't care anymore. This very plummy color here. We're going to put this under the eye. Ooh, how are we going to do that?
Distance you can tell.
How's that look so far? Pretty good. I feel like I need a little bit of beige color there.
Nikkie made it look really easy.
Guess I'll use this again. That's really pretty. Now we're gonna blend this all together and hope for the best. This is the eye I can't see out of, so I don't know if this is gonna look good. Blending with an eyeball I can't see with. Seems kind of unfair, doesn't it? To only have one good working eye. Mascara time. Primer. Love the primer. I need some.
Meant to be in the great out.
I'm kind of, look, I'm getting that on there. I'm using it. Look at that.
Cheaters never win? Yes, they do. They always win.
This is amazing, by the way. Tarte Gifted. Yeah. Did you see Huda Beauty's new mascara? Oh, I want it.
Doors forever free. You and me meant to be in the
Pretty good. It's pretty good mascara. I don't hate it. Like it a lot, in fact. Now we're gonna do concealer. By this point, mascara's everywhere. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite, and I am loving it. Fortunately, this thing's massive. I could conceal my entire face with it. In fact, should I? No, I'll mess it up.
great outdoors forever free.
Got a little pimple there. That's fine, that's fine. Cover this up. See, I still have a ton left. Put a little on the side of my nose. Where my glasses go. I could literally cover whatever I want. Oh, do we want to highlight our face? Down here? I could use it as foundation. There's so much in there. Anyways, that's amazing. Amazing! Normally I like to use a dry one of these. If you want real makeup tips, I don't put on this much makeup ever. But this is for the video. Do you have this problem, or am I the only one? I mean, I can't even do this side of my face.
I got time. It's clear to see.
Look at this. It's so good.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
The problem right now, though, that I'm having is my sponge is wet, and I like it to be dry to do my foundation because I just feel like it does such a better job. So I'm having a really tough time getting it to blend with it this wet and floppy. It's just floppy. I don't like floppy sponges.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Is there anything more fun than watching someone put on their concealer?
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Love it. It's a little brightening for my foundation, but also I barely have any foundation on. Okay, we're gonna put some powder on. We're going to set that before we get all the crinkles. This is a really nice smelling setting lotion. For reals though. One dip. Feels like more than a dip. Look at that. Yes. Is it okay if I do that, or should I just, I feel like I shouldn't do that. Okay, I won't. Oh, it's gonna mess up my makeup. What do I do? What do I do? That worked. Put it right there where my glasses goes. I'm baking the spot where my glasses go. I'm just kidding. I don't bake. I'm too old for baking. Unless it's cookies for Christmas.
Sometimes you
This is too bouncy!
need to go and take a step back to see the truth
Usually the powder blends right in, but it's too bouncy.
around you. From a distance you can tell.
We're gonna do some bronzer. I don't normally do bronzer. We're doing everything today. Normally I would not care about this. I'm gonna get so much bronzer. That. Yes! This is the blush bar from Benefit. It's pretty good. I like it. This is where the camera shut off. Don't worry, you didn't miss much. Only the part where I thought eyeshadow was blush. I also finished applying the bronzer, lipstick, and lip gloss. This is 46. I need more than one swipe of makeup. But you just need one swipe to subscribe.